There, teachers and students. Okay, so this is Maddie, and I'm here to help y'all to better understand Desmos as our STAAR test quickly approaches. I'm going to be creating different videos to teach you how to take STAAR questions specific to Algebra 1 and actually solve them on Desmos. So as you can see, this question is from IA2, and what it's asking is which function is equivalent to this? So this is a quadratic right here. Typically what we would want to see is we'd want a student to go and factor this completely out, but right now they may not truly know how to factor. So let's see, how can we actually solve this by just using our Desmos calculator that STAAR actually provides us. So I will tell you this, you want to make sure always when you're practicing, you want to make sure to have the Desmos STAAR version, the Texas version. You'll have a green bar at the top of it, just as my screen does right now. And what we're going to want to start with is actually typing this equation in verbatim. As we know, h of x would be the same thing as doing y. So we will have y, and then we can just type it in. I will go ahead and use the functions at the bottom of the screen so that students can better understand what they're clicking. So y equals 10, and then I'm going to use this x. You have your squared right here where it says a squared, squared plus 9x minus 1. Okay, so now I have my function visible. So a little tidbit of advice to help students out and to help you teachers out. Anytime on the STAAR test that you see that word equivalent, about 9 out of 10 times, you will be able to do what I like to call graph and match. So that's actually what I'm going to teach right now is graph and match. So I've graphed the function that's in the equation, and now or in the problem, excuse me, and now I'm going to go ahead and graph each one of the answer choices. So my next answer choice says y equals, and then I have a parentheses, x minus 1, close those parentheses, open a parentheses, 10x plus 1, 10x plus 1. I'm going to close out those parentheses. So as you can see, these are not matching. If it's equivalent, it's going to fall directly on the green one. Okay, so I've done that one, I've done the first one, but I don't really feel like typing everything again. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy. So I hit copy and paste. Now I'm able to see it again. As you can see, it lined it up exactly the same, but I don't want the exact same one. I need the new equation. And then this is what that new equation looks like. So x plus 1, 10x minus 1. And if you notice, the black line, our new one, falls directly on my green line. So if I went ahead and deleted that purple one for a little bit, I don't want to see the purple one because I know that was incorrect. If I click back and forth on both of these, I can see that answer choice B matches the question completely identical. So that would be my answer right here. So rather than having to factor, all we did is we went into our Desmos calculator, we typed these in and just did a quick graph and match. I hope that this is helpful for solving a quadratic equation and determining its factors or determining which one is equivalent to the other one. All right, make it a great day.